Hey, I'm Steph Shinabery, and I wanted to give a quick shout out to the Sales Ascenders program. I cannot believe what Chris and Sean have put together here. So just finished week 5, and I'm just blown away by the system that they have put in place. I'm so excited to dive in, and I'm starting to implement it and put it into place for myself. And it's a good reminder. I'm an artist, so I always want to create and tweak and make things my own. But the system works the best as it is, and so just to follow the recipe. And that's what I love about it, is that's how I was brought into the program, is actually through the recipe. And so to be able to duplicate that is very exciting to be able to put into place in my business.
I also just really love one of the things that Chris said was he's always asking himself, how can I get my next client? And that was really one of my big takeaways, because I do believe when we ask ourselves the right questions, we get better answers.
I feel like I just got a PhD in sales in about 45 minutes. Seriously, this has been a real struggle for me, which is why I joined the mastermind. But getting calls and then not closing. So I feel like I really have a much better understanding of the theory behind everything that I'm doing, but also a really simple framework to follow. And now really all I need to do is go practice and do more calls. So really having a roadmap or a step-by-step plan to do this, so that expectations are met, and like really how to lay out the meetings so that we can keep things on track. All this was so helpful for me, and I really feel like I have a clear picture on exactly how to move forward on hiring my VA.